Why are you having an event? What will happen if you do nothing? What happens once the event is over? Sometimes these simple questions are the hardest ones to answer, but are the most important to start with. I'm Oren, and I lead the Event Experience Lab at Bizzabo. We are a dedicated team of event experts who specialize in experience design through structured, highly interactive workshops. We're here to discuss and collaborate with your team on specific opportunities and challenges you want to tackle. We believe that events can generate long-lasting impact when event experience leaders, like yourselves, are intentional about the event strategy and design. We use a variety of workshops to help the team understand and decide on the many different choices any event requires. Let me show you what I mean. One of our customers recently asked us to help them with their annual event after they needed to transition to a virtual format. Sounds familiar, right? Once we created a shared vision, we used what we call the priority framework to debate which ideas are must do, should do, could do, or will not do. It was really fun seeing all the creative ideas the team generated. Ultimately, through a few sessions with our lab, the events team and the production agency were able to turn what was originally set to be yet another annual event into a calendar year full of engaging experiences. This is just one example of the many different strategy and design workshops available to your team as a Bizzabo customer. So, next time you're planning an event, reach out to us and find out how the Event Experience Lab can help your team create more human events.